All the very best to all the CA aspirants appearing for your costing examination tomorrow, that is on 8th of May 2023. So all the best, guys. I hope all of you are very well prepared for the paper, and just stay confident, just stay calm, because you have given the best of your efforts in the last 3 or 4 months during your preparations. It's time just for the execution now, the right execution. That's it. And you people can do it. You people have the potential. Just believe in yourself. Stay confident, stay calm while attempting the question. Read the question very carefully. This is one very important tip that I would like to tell you, that read the question very carefully and make sure whatever you are writing it right. Avoid silly mistakes. That's the only tip that I would like to give you. And I believe in you guys. You just have to believe in yourself that you have the potential and you guys can really rock the paper, whatever the paper is, whether it is tough, whether it is easy, lengthy, short, whatever the kind of is, you people are ready to tackle this, right? And do not forget, ab ki baar 90 par. So all the best, guys. God bless you all, and see you guys tomorrow. That is after the paper. We will definitely share what is the level of the paper and how you should have attempted. We'll discuss. We'll have the paper review on 8th of May in the evening around 7 or 8 o'clock. We'll notify on the YouTube. So if you have not yet subscribed to the channel, please do subscribe. And November 23 students, get ready. The next turn is yours. All the best, guys. God bless you all.